Hello today viewers, and for you today I have another eBay purchase. This is a lot of 12 world coins from 1893 to 1973 it says. I paid approximately $13.47. So let's get started. See what we got here. Oh, they're all loose. Lovely. Okay, I have all the coins laid out for you here, and this was actually nice because it was supposed to be a lot of 12 coins, but the seller also sent me 5 additional coins, which wasn't even mentioned. That's kind of a nice surprise. So on the very top row here we have a Netherlands coin. I'm a little bit familiar with this one. It's a 5-cent from World War II. I'd have to look closer to figure out which exact year it is. The next coin we have here is an Iceland 1953 1 Eyer. Next one we have is Greek coin, a 1976 1 drachma. Next one we have is a 1964 Sierra Leone half-cent. And the final one we have here is a Guyana 1989 25-cent coin. Those were nice surprises. And on the first row here we have a 1977 Liberia 5-cent coin. Next we have an Austria 10 Groschen coin, 1955. A France 1920 20 francs. A Mexico 20 centavos, 1945. On the third row down here we have a Netherlands 10-cent 1910 coin, an Israel 25 Pruta 1949, a Turkey 100 para, and it says 1920 something. Apparently they weren't able to identify the date, but I've looked at the back. It's going to be a 1926. There were only 3 years that particular coin was made, apparently, in that series, from 1926 to 1928. The next one is a Venezuela 12.5 centimo, 1958. It says it's uncirculated. It kind of looks like that. Next one on the last row we have here is a Gibraltar 1 crown from 1970. And next one's going to be an Argentina 2 centavos from 1893. Next one is going to be a Singapore $1 coin from 1973. And the last one in the row is going to be a Netherlands 10-cent from 1948. Now really I bought this collection mainly for the Gibraltar coin and the Argentina 1893, but the Liberia was a nice surprise there, and the Turkey coin's very nice. So I'll show you the other sides of these coins. Okay, here we have the back of the coins, and the first coin here, the Netherlands, that can only be 2 years, apparently a 1941, 42, or 43 coin, and I still cannot see the date very well on there. Okay, here we have the other side of the coins, and the first Netherlands coin only has 2 or 3 years. It could be from 1941 to 1943, but I still can't make out the date on it. And then we have the Iceland 1953 Eyrur coin. And next we have the Greek 1976 1 drachma. And on the back side, the Sierra Leone half cent. And then we have the Guyana quarter right there, the Guyana 25-cent coin. And here we have the backside of the Liberia 5 cents, and then the Oostenrijk 10 Groschen, the France 20 franc coin from 1950, the 1945 20 centavos from Mexico, and then we have the back of the 1910 10-cent coin from Netherlands, and that's actually nice because it's 64% silver, so that's a nice coin, and I looked it up, it's worth about $15. The Israel Pruta coin, 25 Pruta, and then there's the back of the Turkey 100 para coin, and that's going to be from 1926. The back of the Venezuela 12.5 centimos from Venezuela. And then we have the back of the Gibraltar 1 crown coin. We have the back of the Argentine coin from 1893. The back of the Singapore dollar from 1973. And the back of the 1948 10 cent from Netherlands. Here we have the Argentina 2 centavos from 1893. I took it out of the coin flip to get a better look at it. And we'll show you the obverse side. Very nice pattern on the obverse side. Okay, here we have the Netherlands 1910 dime, or 1910 cent coin. And this is 64% silver. Give you a better look at it there. Show you the other side. Do a little side lighting there. So overall, I think for $13 in some sense, this was a very good investment for these coins. I'll have to do some more research, total it up, and give you a total. If you like this video, and please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.